Pro again, here with another, this is an annual gutter cleaning. What we come on and do, it's just a little strip of gutters here, and they got a little piece in it. Let me show you. This is a little townhouse community, and we do a lot of business in here. Anyway, today we're going to be also washing it and doing a flat work. So, you know, every other year we switch it up. But you can see here in the gutters, packed up, got gutted stuff. I mean, most of the gutters clean, but we'll go through them, blow out the downspouts. You got a drain that runs back here, so we check all that. And then we'll clean the house. So while Tony's doing that, this is what I'll do, is I'll jump on the surface cleaner. So we just got here, we just hooked up water. So wait on that to build up. Once that builds up, I'll go ahead and pop that surface clean. Knock this out real quick, he'll be done. He can jump on PP. And then once he's done on PP, we'll spray the house and be out of here. Try to wrap it up. Trailer's doing really good. We do have a breeze today. You see the tree moving. Seems to be very windy lately. I don't know what that deal is. So, but anyway, let's check the water level here. Okay. So, we lost a little bit more than where we had it down. We left it open, and as we move, you know, water comes out, so we lost a little bit more. But we get up to about right here. It's about the third bore. In between the third and fourth, we'll crank up the machine, because we're shooting out 9 gallons a minute with this thing. So got to be cognizant of that. So we're down to today we're down to 27 gallons, so we should be golden goose. And the driveway isn't that bad, so we just hit it with a quick spin. So anyway, we'll get some more footage here in a minute. Not much to see. Got some questions. Oh, yeah. Let me do a YouTube response. This is a YouTube response. So when we don't downstream anymore, but when we did, okay, you got your pressure washer, you got your bypass setup. The bypass basically is if I want to bypass the injector. So if I'm using surface cleaner, I don't want to go through this. So I'll turn it like this, and it forces the water through here. But if I was downstreaming with this machine, I would probably run a 2.1 or 2.3. The lower the number, the smaller the orifice. So if you got a 1.8 and you're running it on here, it's a very small hole. It's going to put a little strain on the pump. Now 4 gallon a minute is not a problem, but this is. And this is, I don't know if it's on there or not. I don't even know what this is. Let's see, 2.3. So this is a 2.3 in here. Bigger orifice. So higher the number, bigger the orifice. You know, so in more water, less dilution. You know, I'm only going to get maybe 1% out of this, maybe, max, maybe. But we don't downstream anymore. But for anybody who is looking to downstream, you got a 4 gallon a minute, you can use a 2.1. That's what we did when we had a 4 gallon a minute. Adding the bypass is a nice feature, but not necessity. It just gives you the ability to bypass the injector to go do your surface work, so you can go do this. Now the Flow Pro I would highly recommend, because that turns this for you. It's not manual, you know, so you can do it remotely. So anyway, we just use this for flat work. Basically, that's it. So just a little FYI, a little response to a YouTube question. Catch you up. Peace. Guys and girls, as you can see, I already hit the driveway. It took me about 10 minutes. Hit this, little sidewalk. Got a little mud on me. Got to get that AR-45 clip, as I like to say, the clip. Get the clip. Let's see what we got. There it is. AR-45. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and crank up. Tony's got my line pulled. We all property protected. In there about 30 minutes. Driveway gutter's done. About to wash the house and bounce. Remember, we got to switch this to SH. Go full, no soap here. I'm going to prime it right here. And then I may even prime it over there by the ditch. But they got a drain pipe over here somewhere. Yeah, right over there. Alright, we'll get this caught up. We'll catch some footage. Fight and win. Alright, peace. Alright, everybody, we're here in the back of the house. Like I said, been here about 30-35 minutes. Just waiting on water, really. And anyway, wait on soap now. So oh yeah, look at that. Huh. That's about to get soap. Wash these stairs, get all that green stuff off. Start right here. Again, we're dealing with the wind, so. Wind is not my friend. Alright guys, that looks done. Get those steps again. Already hit my wood too. Always making a note to hit my fence. See those windows? They got little crevices in there. You got to get those crevices out. Right there. Smelling good. This is the shady side, so it's the northern side, so we're going to get a little bit more dwell time. Okay. Girls, I don't know what happened there. Maybe my camera crapped out. I am going to get that new DJI. I think it's the Action 4 now. I got the original one, so I'm still OG-ing it. But we're golden here. Golden goose. I'm waiting on some Kim. Or proprietary solution is what I like to say. The wind is whipping, so it's all good. Ain't nothing we ain't did before, you know? Nice little coat, that's all you need. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side and maybe I get some more in the front. It's too windy. Alright, catch up, peace. Girls All Pro again, here with another, this is an annual. You probably remember this little house. We're gonna hit the concrete, we got new concrete, it's been here about a year. Maybe a little over a year, but we're not gonna hit this, we're gonna post treat it, but we're gonna hit this with the surface cleaner. Probably go up to that line. Anthony's on PP, property protection. Get the hose hooked up first. Put a little bit here so we don't trip. Japanese maple, be cognizant of that. For those that don't know, Japanese maples are very sensitive to bleach or sodium hypochlorite. And you really got to wet them good. So, you know, give them a really good pre-treat. Spray your solution around it. Try not to hit. I mean, if you get some on it, it's okay. If it's a roof mix, it's a problem. But house wash, not a big deal. Just as long as you rinse it off really, really well. And we haven't had rain in here about a week, so we've been rolling. So Anthony's already got the front done. I'm gonna let him take care of that surface cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that beast of a machine that they are and start getting this all done. So yeah, we'll get that done and roll on. So we'll catch up here in a minute. Let me get some let me get everything reeled out. All right, peace. Girls, we're on the first side. Tony's just about done property protection. Like I told you before, I don't know if you remember, but this house has a little unique. So this is the neighbors, but we're washing this right here. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that. And it's got those type of gutters that you kind of 45-degree angle off of them. So we'll get all that. But yeah, see. Nice soapy vibes. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and soap this whole front. I already pre-wet everything, so I'm gonna soap this whole front and this little bit of side. Turn it off, rinse this side because the sun is shining. So you want to make sure, unless you got a brick area like this, it's okay. I mean, I've not had any problems with the brick area with holding soap. So anyway, all right guys, look at that, shooting up there, heights, making heights. making moves. So you get the repeat. Anyway, alright guys, we'll catch up. Peace. Girls, I went ahead and hit this side, the right side, which is the neighbors, but it's really theirs. I don't know how it works, but and I hit this side, I hit that top section. I already did the back. Starting to get no footage. We had people out here, so just waiting on water. Once we get some H2O, we'll run it down. And I clean that patio for them, just put a little soft wash touch on it. There we go, got some H2O. So I'm gonna do this side since this is the hot side. I'm gonna let that marinate. So just get in between, if you can tell, let me see. See right here, they got that channel. Make sure you get all the way in that channel. But things like to hide out. Then you got your little brick. So we'll good there. Anyway, we got wind whipping again. It's been windy past few days. But anyway, let me go ahead and let me show you this. So over here, see I'm hitting that, no problem. From a distance. Get it good. And then hit, let's see, oh yeah, hitting over there too, I don't know if you can see it. Ladder, who needs a ladder? I got an AR. Sometimes we need a ladder though, I don't let that kid you. Alright guys, so I'm just going to wet the windows because you never know if you got any overspray on the windows. Wet your maple. Already pre-wetted, so we're good. All right, now I'm gonna rinse this side, then I'm gonna hit this little patio area, and then we got one side over there, and Tony's already done surface cleaning. So, I think I've been here maybe 24 minutes. Again, it's not a race. It's not a race. The only race it is efficiency. Trying to make more money per minute, per hour, per whatever you want to call it, quarter. And if you got your efficiency and your processes and all your systems in place, shouldn't be a problem. That's why people like to use these bigger machines, because you shoot a lot of volume. When you can shoot 10 gallons a minute and run through something, it's pretty nice. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this and we'll catch up. There goes the wind, see? Well, get to the 45. All right, catch up, peace. The girls made it back to the house. Sorry we didn't get much footage. Homeowner came out and hanging out, you know, and I hate film like that, but anyway, we got it done. So one thing I will say is we've been having some issues with our battery. So I bought a battery maintainer, and we're just going to start plugging it in every day when we get home. Keep the battery topped off. I noticed the other day the 12 volt wouldn't work. Checked the voltage on the battery, it was like 7 volts. I charged it overnight, got it fully charged, and put the maintainer on it and rolled. So I'm not sure exactly what happened. But anyway, that's about it. So please like, sub, call, comment. We hit the 5K mark. Woohoo! Next is 500. That's how we do it. All right. Peace.